Hey! It's your boy Steve, and today we're looking at the all-new Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi board. Now this is a special board, as it supports both 8th and 9th gen Intel processors. It has a ton of new features and things you may have not considered looking for in a motherboard. So let's pull this out of the box and, well, let's take a look. Alright, so we're gonna get the board out of here. Nice and easy. We have some premium cardboard. Perfect. Of course, some of the important features and functions we got here. So we have our fancy little Wi-Fi. Obviously Wi-Fi's on the board. M.2 screw, you'll need that. A few of them actually, so that's good. Bunch of our SATA cables, twist ties. All right. First things first. First thing I see right away that catches my attention are the thermal right here for the M.2s. So that's the first thing that literally grabs my attention and my eyes go right to it. Because with this in mind, the potential to pop dual NVMe SSDs in RAID, Gigabyte really had to keep durability and temps in mind. So it's why we have two of the M.2 thermal guards with the board. This will prevent throttling and bottlenecks from the M.2 devices and help get rid of heat before it becomes an issue. If you go for the Z390 AORUS Ultra or the Master version, you'll get 3 NVMe PCIe M.2 with triple thermal guards. Wowee! This board can handle DDR4 XMP up to 4133 MHz. As AORUS has shared with us, all users need to do to attain this performance is ensure your memory modules are XMP compatible. And bada bing, bada boom, XMP functions enabled. And boom, here we are, wicked fast speeds. Now, most importantly, RGB. Yeah! The AORUS Z390 boards have a wide range of lighting thanks to the easy use of the RGB Fusion app. You can set up the RGB zones on your board, nice and easy. So you can go lighting enthusiast mode or just single color. There are over 9 lighting effects and 16.8 million RGB colors. The possibilities are, well, a lot of lighting ahead. Now, for real cooling. Let's talk about this, it's actually really cool. The board has built-in software. It's a fancy thing called SmartFan 5. Sounds like a band to me. With Fan Stop. The name is, well, right to the point. And what does it get? And what does it get you? The SmartFan 5 system is really, well, a smart fan system. With the ability to map out up to 8 fan headers to set temperature thresholds or even absolute fan silence when a fan hits a specific condition or temperatures. I think that's really cool. Keeping that in mind, there's also a new smart fan support for GPU temps. We're able to monitor and adjust as needed. If there are 2 cards on the board, it will automatically show the highest temp of the GPU and bring it to the forefront. This new feature is compatible with both AMD and NVIDIA cards. Now the feature we've always all wanted, and it's finally here. Fast charge. Yes guys, fast charge! It's finally on a motherboard, and some of us known as turbocharge. Patent pending. This will allow users to plug in their mobile device and charge it at wicked fast speeds. So if you don't know how fast charge or turbocharge in this case work, it charges your phone to 50% in 30 minutes. Of course, you need a USB type A cable, has to be 3.0, front slot, easy. The feature is compatible with both Android devices with Quick Charge 3.0 and Apple devices with the fast charge function. So with the new turbocharge feature on the motherboard here, it's gonna change your, well, I'm gonna plug this in and leave it for 12 hours to, well, that was quick. Nice. And that's it for the product overview. I hope you found this helpful in helping make your decision for a new Z390 board. The Z390 AORUS Pro Wi-Fi board is pre-orderable now at your local Memory Express. Alright, you Cadillac cruisers, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. And of course, you know our social media. Facebook and Twitter are the same, at Memory Express. Instagram, official Memory Express. And since you guys have been so patient with us this month because of all the traveling and trips and all the events we're doing, let's show you guys the MEXP prize for this month. Hope you guys are ready. I gotta hit it. I gotta hit it. So first up, got a fancy MSI hat, part of the bundle. One of the coveted neck pillows. Mouse pad, which everyone always needs an extra mouse pad. There is a mouse as well, gaming mouse. I haven't unboxed it, that'll be for you, winner. And of course, an actual really rad MSI backpack. It's still, look at this guys, it's still in the packaging. I ain't gonna touch this because this is you to unbox and open. So guys, that's the MEXP prize for this month. So it's a nice big MSI bundle. Pretty sweet. You guys know how this works. Make sure you guys are commenting all the videos for October. At the end of the month, we'll do our draw for our lucky winner. Turns out this month, our last day is October 31st, is on a Wednesday, so that means we'll be announcing the winner on the Friday video, which will be November 2nd. I can't math, so I assume I'm right. Anyways, guys, I'm Steve from Memory Express. Thanks for checking out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay. So with the new turbocharge,